Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Lite. First, open the Binance app and switch to Lite mode by tapping the profile icon and toggling the Lite option. This simplified interface is perfect for beginners, offering a straightforward way to manage your crypto. You'll find it much easier to navigate, focusing on core functions without overwhelming details. It's designed for quick and easy transactions. To buy cryptocurrency, simply tap the Buy button on the home screen. Select the crypto you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to spend. You can pay using a bank transfer, a credit card, or even a debit card. Confirm your order, and the crypto will be added to your wallet almost instantly. It's a quick and secure process designed for ease of use. Selling your cryptocurrency is just as simple. Tap the Sell button, choose the asset you wish to sell, and input the amount. You can then withdraw the funds directly to your linked bank account. Binance Lite ensures a smooth and secure transaction, making it easy to convert your digital assets back into fiat currency whenever you need. Always double-check your withdrawal details. Managing your portfolio on Binance Lite is straightforward. Your total portfolio value and individual asset balances are clearly displayed on the home screen. You can quickly convert one cryptocurrency to another, for example, Bitcoin to Ethereum, with minimal steps. Review your transaction history anytime to keep track of all your buys and sells. It's designed to give you a clear overview of your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.